Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can type on your keyboard. Let's select, for example, maybe Greek, and then tap done. Now let's try to write something down in the Greek language, and as you can see, now I have Greek keyboard on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.